8 by 3 is 24. 6 by 3 is 18. The answer is 258. 9 by 2 is 18. 7 by 2 is 14. The answer is 194. 5 by 3 is 15. 1 by 3 is 03. The answer is 153. 5 by 2 is 10. 1 by 2 is 02. The answer is 102. 8 by 3 is 24. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 246. 5 by 3 is 15. 9 by 3 is 27. The answer is 177. 4 by 2 is 8. 2 by 2 is 4. The answer is 84. 4 by 5 is 20. 1 by 5 is 05. The answer is 205. 9 by 5 is 45. 2 by 5 is 10. The answer is 460. 5 by 5 is 25. 2 by 5 is 10. The answer is 260. 6 by 2 is 12. 1 by 2 is 02. The answer is 122. 2 by 5 is 10. 1 by 5 is 05. The answer is 105. 6 by 5 is 30. 1 by 5 is 05. The answer is 305. 2 by 8 is 16. 2 by 8 is 16. The answer is 176. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 60.